Let me show you how to create this in Photoshop. Create your workspace with this canvas size. So this is the image I'll be using. I have already removed the background, so drag and drop into the main document. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust. Now choose the single column marquee tool. Now place your arrow on top of the image and click once to create a selection. Hide the primary image layer. Press Ctrl T to scale and hold Shift to drag. Then follow this process. Press Ctrl T and right click, then choose Warp, and follow this process. Create a layer mask and follow this process. Choose the image layer and open the drop shadow option. Then follow these settings.